Hi guys, welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. In this video, we're going to talk about setting our site's max width so that you can avoid your website from looking stretched out on massive desktop screens. Let's get into it. Go to Site Styles on the left. Then go to the Max Width tab. Make sure that this button is toggled on and input your preferred width in pixels. Wix will then automatically adjust it and your changes will also automatically be saved. And that's it. That's how easy it is to adjust your site's max width. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.